Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will start inside Settings, open Security or Biometrics now, and locate Fingerprint options. Make sure this is your phone and you know the lock PIN or password because the system will ask. Once done, confirm power is stable so the process won't abort mid-change. You're preparing the device and vaulting the authentication gate before any deletions. This step prevents accidental lockouts and ensures you retain access while you modify or remove stored fingerprint data. You now remove stored fingerprints one at a time. Tap an enrolled fingerprint entry, choose Remove or Delete, and confirm using your PIN or password. Do not skip confirmation prompts. They protect device access. After removing every fingerprint, go back and disable Fingerprint Unlock if you prefer. Toggle the biometric unlock option off. Once finished, restart the phone to ensure the biometric subsystem clears cached data and stops offering fingerprint unlock until new fingerprints are enrolled. To complete the process, verify the lock screen no longer accepts fingerprints and that only PIN or password is available. If the fingerprint prompt persists, clear the system UI or biometrics app cache and app settings, then reboot. If problems remain and you own the device, back up data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. This erases all data and removes enrollments. Finally, set a strong PIN or password to restore secure access and avoid re-enrolling fingerprints.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.